Hello everybody. So I'll be doing lesson 13 with my peer Yasmin. Yasmin, can you hear me?
Yes, Samantha, thank you. I can hear you clearly and I can see your screen.
Okay, thank you. So setting up a MongoDB database. So in Unit 2, we built web application with Express.js. Structuring our applications to use the model view controller architecture. We can now handle requests through our controllers and serve views. So this lesson covers installing MongoDB, reading and entering data within the MongoDB shell, connecting MongoDB to a Node.js application. So I will be doing the last part of lesson 13. Okay, so connecting MongoDB to our application. So to add MongoDB to our Node.js recipe application, we enter our project folder on the terminal and install the MongoDB package by running npm i mongodb at 3.6.3 save. This command saves the MongoDB package to our project's package JSON dependencies. So at the top of our main.js file, we add the code showing in our listing 13.5. We're going to require the MongoDB module to use Mongo client class. So we have constant MongoDB supposed to require. This is the code that we are going to add in our main.js. So what this code does, it connects to MongoDB. So it's going to use the Mongo client.connect to connect to the local MongoDB server. And then it throws an error if the connection fails. And then it also selects the database. So let db is equal to client.db, db name, selects the recipe db database. And it also creates a collection, which is the db collection contacts find to an array. It also retrieves all the documents from the contacts collection, converts them into an array, logs the results to the console. So we have and we can use the same command within our Node.js application that we did in the MongoDB shell. So to add a new item to the database, for example, we can add the code in our listing 13.6 within our MongoDB connection callback function. So this is, we're going to insert data from our Node.js application into the terminal. So what this code does, so it inserts a new document into the contacts collection of the connected MongoDB database. So the document contains name Freddie Mercury and then the email thread at queen.com, and then it handles errors. If the insert fails, it throws an error, and then it also logs the result. On success, it prints the database response object to the console, which includes details about the insertion. So in short, it adds a new contact with name and email to the contacts collection, and then it will log the operation result. So in lesson 14, we're going to explore a package called Mongoose, which works with MongoDB to provide a bit of organization to our application storage. So in this lesson, we learn how to set up MongoDB, how to use certain commands to manage databases on our computer. At the end of the lesson, we inserted collections and documents into our own database and connected that database to our Node.js application. I hope everything is clear on your side, Yasmin.
Clear as always, Martha. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.